Get our face.
Checking out the ladies.
Hey.
Checking out the ladies. Checking out me.
Hey. Your scrambled egg face is so cute. I love it the way it moves.
I look like Mr. Ed.
He's my favorite.
My eyes are watering. Here, you want it.
No. Oh my god. Hey. I'm Dilbert. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Turn your face sideways.
Look at that ear. Yeah. Oh, jeez. I always wanted your eye to be there. Do you have a...
Okay. Signing off now.
Ciao!
You wanna move?
The end.
Okay, bye.